everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to learn about possessive adjectives in English. These are important words that help us show ownership. Let's break it down section by section with easy examples. Section 1. What are possessive adjectives? First, let's define what possessive adjectives are. Possessive adjectives are words that show ownership or possession. They help us describe who something belongs to. Remember, it is used for things or animals. Example: the cat licked its paws. Sixth one. Our. Example: this is our family photo. Last one. Their. Example: those are their shoes. Section 3. How to use possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives always come before a noun. Remember, they modify the noun by showing ownership. Let's see some examples in sentences. My sister is a doctor. Sister belongs to me. Second example. Your teacher is nice. Teacher belongs to you. Notice that we do not use an apostrophe with possessive adjectives, unlike possessive nouns. Section 4. Common mistakes to avoid. Now, let's talk about some common mistakes. A lot of beginners confuse possessive adjectives with possessive pronouns. Remember, possessive adjectives always need a noun. Example: that is my dog. Here, that is my dog is wrong. Use my instead. That is my dog. Showing ownership correctly. Section 5. Practice time. Let's do a quick practice. I'll say a sentence, and you try to fill in the blank with the correct possessive adjective. First one. Name is Sarah. Name is Sarah. My name is Sarah. Second one. Is this? Bag? Is this? Bag? Is this your bag? Last one. They have lost. Keys. They have lost. Keys. They have lost their keys. Great job, everyone! Remember, possessive adjectives help us show who something belongs to. Practice using them in your sentences. If you liked this lesson, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more English lessons. See you next time!